HUBTEX Safety Instructions, Rules for Use. Observe the operating instructions. We supply an operating manual with every HUBTEX side loader. Please follow the operating and maintenance instructions. Do not allow unauthorized persons behind the wheel. As the driver, you are responsible for your vehicle. Log off at the control terminal or remove the ignition key when leaving the vehicle. Drive properly. Only drive with the fork slightly tilted to secure the load lowered and the speed adjusted to ensure the load is transported safely. Always look in the direction of travel while driving. Raised loads block your view, therefore lower them. Brake gently and carefully. Drive in at appropriate speed so that sufficient stopping distance can always be ensured. Also, avoid braking unnecessarily hard so as not to endanger others. Observe the specified gradient capability. Pay attention to the maximum gradient rating of your side loader. You will find this information in the operating instructions. You must observe the maximum load capacity. You will find the specification on the load capacity plate in the cabin and the operating instructions. Overloading can occur either by exceeding the maximum load capacity or the load centre. Please ensure you comply with the load capacity details. Observe the suitability of the traffic routes. The travel paths must be level, paved and free of obstacles. Dangerous joints must be marked visibly. Do not stand under the load. Regardless of whether the side loader is loaded or unloaded, no one is allowed to stand under the raised forks or attachments. Pay attention to signals and signs. Pay attention to signs and other vehicles while driving, especially at intersections between operations. Park the side loader safely. Always switch off the side loader and never park it on a slope. The HUBTEX side loader is not intended for transporting persons. It is not permitted to transport other people. Drive with foresight. Even if you are not transporting anything, the lift mast must always be retracted in the basic position so that nothing is damaged. Take advantage of the protection provided by the driver's cab. No parts of the body should protrude from the truck during travel to prevent injuries. Pay attention to the danger caused by exhaust fumes. Always switch off a HUBTEX side loader with a combustion engine in enclosed areas when you leave them. Observe the maximum load of the loading bridge. Make sure that loading bridges have sufficient load-bearing capacity, are correctly attached and secured. Charge the battery correctly. Before charging, open the battery cover and connect the battery to the charger. After charging, check the charger display and turn it off. Next, disconnect the battery from the charger and finally check the electrolyte level and top up if necessary. Take care of the battery. Regularly clean the battery, remove foreign objects from the battery tray and check the battery and wiring for damage. Regular battery care will extend the life of the battery and prevent downtime. Do not use the truck beyond the maximum allowable discharge. Your HUBTEX service is always there for you. If you encounter any problem, we will be happy to help you.